During the drafting phase of the writing process, your main goal is to get all of your ideas down on paper and give those ideas a structure such as the model below. Continue drafting your personal narrative, adding as many details as you can. You're going to organize your personal narrative, and your personal narrative should have these three parts. In the beginning, you should tell about you. Tell what you did to help. In the middle of your personal narrative, you're going to tell the events of the story. Answer questions who, what, where, why, and how. At the end, you're going to tell how your action made the world a better place. You're going to go to your digital writer's notebook and complete page 22 and outline these ideas as you're drafting.